How to create Wish account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can create Wish account. For that, you want to open up any web browser. Now, you want to head over to wish.com. Once you land on this page, tap on the login option at the top of your screen. Here, you want to tap on the sign up option. Now, in order to create a new Wish account, you can continue using your Facebook account, continue using your Google account, or continue with your Apple account, or you can fill up these details instead. To fill up the details, start by entering your first name, then enter your last name. Now you want to enter your email address. After that, create a password. Make sure that you create a strong password. Once you have created your password, you want to tap on Verify Email to Sign Up option. After your email has been verified, you will have to enter some other details. So here you want to select who do you shop for. After that, you want to select your age. Then tap on the Finish option. Now tap on the Start Shopping option, and as you can see, your new Wish account has been successfully created. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.